straight lines. Straight lines. Write this question. Okay, you have to give the answer. Today you are writing the exam, isn't it? When I give the question, you have to give the answer. Write down. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line through. Find the equation of the line through -2, 3, and slope -4. Find the equation of the line through the points -2, 3. This is the point given. Equation of the line through this point, and slope is -4. Slope is -4. Yes. So it will be the equation. What is the equation, Michael? Which formula will use here?
Slope intercept form.
Yes. Slope intercept form. Is it slope intercept form? Slope and one is slope, and what about the other one?
Point slope form.
Point slope form. Can you give the equation? Point slope form. Today you are writing the test paper, isn't it? Yes, what's the equation? Point slope form.
Y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0.
Okay, that's correct. If you take the point as x0 and y0, it is y minus y0 is equal to m into x minus x0. Substitute the values given. Okay, and find out. Y is y minus y0, it is 3, is -4 into x minus of minus, it will become x plus 2. Simplify and find out the equation. What's the answer, Achud?
Ma'am, 4x
4x
plus y plus 5 equal to 0.
plus 5 is equal to 0. 4x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Gauri, are you getting this answer?
Yes.
Yes. What about Shubham? Shubham. Are you getting this answer, Shubham? Aditya, Satyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Write the next one. Second one. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line for which tan theta is equal to 1/2 and y-intercept is tan theta is equal to 1/2 and y-intercept is -3/2 and y-intercept is -3/2. Find the equation of the line for which tan theta is 1/2 and y-intercept is -3/2. So what is the formula here? Aparna, tan theta is given. Tan theta means? Tan theta is m, isn't it? Yeah.
Slope.
Is 1/2. And what about y-intercept?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we are using slope intercept form.
Yes, we are using slope intercept form. Okay, correct. Y-intercept usually we denote it as C. C. So C is -3/2. What is the equation? Gayatri? Equation of the line in slope intercept form.
Y is equal to mx plus c.
Y is equal to mx plus c. M is given, C is given. Substitute it, we'll get the equation. Slope is given, Y-intercept is given. Substitute, we'll get the answer. So what is the answer, Atul?
X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0.
X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Next one. Next one. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line for which tan theta is equal to 1/2 and x-intercept is 4. And x-intercept is 4. X-intercept is given and tan theta is 1/2. So what is the formula? Yes, x-intercept is 4. Tan theta is 1/2. So the formula is Aditya S. Raj.
Ma'am, y equal to m into x minus d.
X minus d. Whenever x-intercept is given, we will denote that as d. M is given, slope M is tan theta, it is 1/2. Substitute it and find the equation. Michael, you have to give the answer. What's the equation of the line? M is given, D is given. Substitute it. And what is the answer? Write in general form. Yes, Michael. M is given, D is given. Substitute that and tell the answer. Shubham, can you give the answer, Shubham?
Ma'am,
Yes.
x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0.
Plus 4 is 0. So can you repeat? X
Minus 2y. X minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0.
is 4. Punya, what is the answer?
Same, ma'am.
Minus 4 or plus 4?
Minus.
Minus 4. So x minus 2y minus 4 is 0. Shubham, are you getting this answer, Shubham? Are you getting this answer, Shubham? No. Is it clear? Yeah, value of m is 1 by 2. And what is x-intercept? D. Substitute here. Y is equal to half into x minus 4. You cross multiply this, so you will get 2y is equal to x minus 4. Now take the y term to other side. So you'll get x minus 2y minus 4 is 0. What about Alvin? Femina, is it okay? Next one. Find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line passing through. Find the slope of the line passing through 3, minus 2 and 7, 4. Passing through 2 points are given. We are asked to find the slope. 3, minus 2 and 7, 4. What is the formula? Atul? Slope of
M
the
is
line.
equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
Very good. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Take the first set of points as x1, y1. The next one as x2, y2. Substitute it. So 4 minus of minus 2 by 7 minus 3. Aditya Satyan, what is the answer?
3 by 2.
Yes, it is 3 by 2. Now children, what will be the slope of the perpendicular line? What is the slope of the perpendicular line?
Minus 2 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3. If the slope of a line is m, if the slope of a line is m, the perpendicular line slope is minus 1 by m. Next one. Okay, is it clear? Is it okay, Srihari? Naureen? The next one. Find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line, which makes, find the slope of the line, which makes an angle of inclination, which makes an angle of inclination 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis, which makes an angle of 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So it is the angle. Angle made with x-axis is 45 degree. So it will be the slope.
1.
1. Now you are getting that as 1.
Tan 45.
Very good. It is tan 45. The angle is given. You take tan of that value. Tan 45, which is 1. What is the slope of x-axis? What is the slope of x-axis? And what about the
0.
Yes, slope of x-axis is 0. And slope of y-axis is
Not defined.
not defined.
Not different.
Yes. Tan 45, the value is 1. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is not defined. If two lines are parallel, slopes are
Equal.
equal. If two lines are perpendicular,
The product is -1.
product is -1. Write the question. Without using distance formula, show that the points, without using distance formula, show that the points without using distance formula, show that the points 4, 4, 3, 5, and minus 1, 1 are the vertices of right angle triangle. Are the vertices of right angle triangle without using the distance formula. So we are not supposed to use the distance formula, but we have to prove it forms a right angle triangle. How will you prove this? What you can do?
Two lines must be perpendicular.
The lines are perpendicular. You find the slope of AB, find the slope of BC, and find sometimes you need slope of AC. If product of the slopes is -1, then what you can say? It is perpendicular, isn't it? Okay. So you find what is slope of AB. Find slope of BC. Only find the slope. Slope of AB, slope of BC. What is the slope of AB? Slope is y2 minus y1, isn't it? 5 minus 4 by 3 minus 4. So you'll get 1 by minus 1, which is -1. Find out slope of BC. Okay, 1 minus 5 by -1 minus 3. So you will get -4 by -4, which is 1. What is slope of AC? What is slope of AC? Slope of AC is 1 minus 4 by -1 minus 4. So it is. So slopes are not equal, isn't it? If slopes are equal, then what you can say? Suppose slope of AB is equal to slope of BC is equal to slope of AC. If all the three
Parallel.
then if the slopes are equal, then what you can say? They are parallel.
Collinear.
Collinear. Okay? They are collinear. A, B, and C. Okay, slopes are equal means they are parallel, or if these 3 points, if you take particularly these 3 points, and if the slopes are equal, then it is collinear. Now here, slopes are not equal. What about the slope of AB into slope of BC?
-1.
-1, isn't it? Slope of AB into slope of BC is -1. That is right angle. Therefore, it forms a right angle triangle. They are perpendicular, therefore it forms a right angle triangle. Okay. Next one. Find the equation of right bisector. Find the equation of right bisector. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the points. The right bisector joining the points 3, 4 and -1, 2. Three, 4 and -1, 2. Find the equation of right bisector. What is the equation of right bisector? Suppose we take the first point, A as 3, 4, and B is the point -1, 2. What is by right bisector?
Perpendicular line.
It should be a perpendicular line and it should
Midpoint.
is to the midpoint. It is the perpendicular. Okay, so first you have to find C. So using midpoint, you find C. Then find slope of AB. From there you can find what is the slope of the perpendicular line. So once you get the point and perpendicular, you can find the equation of the right bisector. First you find the midpoint. Bisector means it is the midpoint. Bisecting. Find the midpoint. So what about the midpoint? So it will be the midpoint. See here, midpoint formula. What is the midpoint? Aryan, formula to find the midpoint.
x1 plus x2 by 2
Yes.
and y1 plus y2 by 2.
So add the x coordinates, divide by 2. Add the y coordinates, divide by 2. So you'll get minus 1 plus 3. So you'll get 2 by 2. 2 plus 4, 6 by 2. So the midpoint is 1, 3. So we got the point C. Now find out what is slope of AB. What is slope of AB? Again, 2 points are given. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 4 by minus 1 minus 3. So which is minus 2 by minus 4. Which is 1 by 2. Slope of AB is 1 by 2. So what is slope of CD? This is the perpendicular line. Slope of
-2.
So once we get the slope and point, use slope intersect form and find the equation.
Two x plus y minus 5 equal to 0.
2x plus y minus 5 is 0. Is it correct, Aishwarya? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gauri, are you getting this answer? Is it the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, are you getting the answer? Huh? No. Did you learn the formula? If you learn the formula only, you will get. Hmm? They will be writing the test paper, isn't it? Huh? When is your maths exam? When is your maths exam? Huh? Today. Oh, at least that much you are knowing, isn't it? Learn well, learn the formula. Sit and learn. Okay, before now you have some Okay, are you having next period and all? Are you having class? If not, means sit and learn the formula. First learn the formula, then do the questions. Huh? Okay. Then next one. Line through the points. Line through the points minus 2, 6. Line through the point minus 2, 6 and 4, 8. Line through the points negative 2, 6. Lines through the point negative 2, 6 and 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line through the points, is perpendicular to the line through the points 8, 12 and x, 24. Lines through the point minus 2, 6 and 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line through the points 8, 12 and x, 24. Find the value of x. So lines through these points. So first you name this point A, B, C, D is perpendicular to. So the line AB, if you draw the line AB is perpendicular to CD. A is given as minus 2, 6. The point B is 4, 8. C, you can take it as 8, 12. And D, x, 24. If it is perpendicular, find the value of x. How will you do this?
First find the slope of AB.
Yes, first find the slope of AB. Good.
Then slope of BC will be negative inverse.
Okay. Slope of BC. Okay, can it is same as negative 1 by, so if it is m, it's minus 1 by m. Equate it. Here also you can find out using 2
Then
points.
find the slope BC and equate.
Equate. Okay, equate it. You'll get the value of m, not m, x. Find the foot of the perpendicular. Yesterday we discussed that question. Finding the foot of the perpendicular. Only 2 questions are there. It's again an important question. Finding the foot of the perpendicular. So what is slope of AB? Gauri. What is slope of AB?
1
1 by
3.
3. Slope of CD. Slope of CD. Isn't it? Are you getting minus 12 by 8 minus x? Is same as, it's reciprocal, isn't it? They are perpendicular. So if the slope of AB is 1 by 3, slope of CD will be its reciprocal and you have to change the sign. So it is minus 3. So what is the value of x?
12.
Yes, x is no.
4.
It is 4. X is 4. Check your answer. If you cancel this negative, negative will get cancelled. This one will become 4. So you'll get 4 is equal to 8 minus x. Simplifying, you'll get x is equal to 4. Next one. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line parallel to. Find the equation of the line parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 and passing through 1, 1. And passing through 1, 1. Find the equation of the line parallel to 3x plus 4y minus 5 is 0 and passing through 1, 1. Two methods are there, isn't it? You can do this in two ways. It is given parallel. So, slope of this line and slope of that, find the line. Okay, suppose this is the line 3x plus 4y minus 5 is 0. We want to find the equation of the parallel line. So, slopes will be equal, isn't it? So, slope is there, point is there means point slope form you can use. What is the other way? What is another way? One line is given here, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is 0. So what will be the equation of the parallel line? Equation of the parallel line is 3x plus 4y plus k is 0, isn't it? Only the constant term will change. It passes through the point 1, 1. So substitute x is 1 and y is 1. So 3 plus 4 plus k is 0. So you will get k is minus 7. So equation of the parallel line is 3x plus 4y minus 7 is 0. Two ways are there. Either you can use point slope form or you can use this equation of the parallel line. Equation of the parallel line. Are you able to recall this? Okay, suppose the equation is ax plus by plus c is 0. What is the equation of the parallel line? Equation of the parallel line is ax plus by plus constant is 0, isn't it? And what is the equation of the perpendicular line?
bx minus ay plus k.
Equal to 0. xy coefficients we interexchange and change the sign, isn't it? Plus k is 0. So like this also you can try. Anyhow, okay. Learn well. Go through each and every question what you have discussed in the class. Attempt all the questions. Don't stick on to the same question from the. Attempt all the questions. Okay. Thank you. All the very.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.